Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mikee of Malbarosa Co, and today is the second episode of my rental home styling series, where I take you on a journey in styling and decorating my Adelaide rental homes.
You wonder how I got so far. Sally used to tell me I don't like what you become. Although it doesn't bother.
You're watching my rental home styling series. So today we're here in the smallest room of the house. At first, when we moved in, we really didn't know what to do with the space, whether to turn it into another bedroom or use it as a storage room. But then we decided to convert it to our home office. We wanted a space where it can inspire creativity and allow us to get down to business, whether it's Malbarosa Co or our cafe business, Adelaide. Okay, to start with the design process, I first draw a plan of the room, then get the dimensions so that I know the total area of the space I'll be working on. Okay, we're done measuring the room and it's time for me to draw. In our design, we ensured a balanced home office, which is practical, ergonomic, comfortable, and clean. It sports a modern industrial feel and yet still welcoming. The neutral colors on the walls and floor are paired with wood, plants, and some textiles like the pillows, throws, and rug. We are also incorporating some cool blue tones like the wall art and ceramic plant pot to make the whole look more cohesive. Okay, it's time to clean and prep the space. One way to glam up a home office is by refreshing your lighting. These eye-catching cantilever and LED desk lamps, both from Kmart, give the space an edgy yet professional feel. Since we are restricted to mount anything on the wall, we made use of this decorative metal ladder from Kmart to suspend our IKEA Spontan magnetic board and Kmart combo board. Nobody works well in a messy home office. We ensure that the important elements are incorporated like printer, file holder, supply organizers, and other essentials. I really like this pigeon blue stoneware plant pot from H&M. Perfect home for our philodendron. It adds some dimension to my workspace and helps keep feeling calm. This vibrant abstract wall art from Big W can energize the space and make me feel motivated. And if you want to learn, we'll be alright. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe. See ya!